Welcome to Las Vegas, Nevada, home of the brand new Las Vegas Raiders. And the stadium looks like a Roomba. Joke!
National Football League venue. The only missing, the 65,000 fans who love to be here. The bars last night overfilled at 11:59 p.m. So
welcome a brand new team to the NFL. Las Vegas Raiders. Welcome to Las Vegas. Brand new generation of football. And here we go!